Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics 0580 paper 2 non-calculator paper. It's extended one. So this non-calculator you'll get 2 hours time. So this is paper 23. Okay, so here paper 23 mathematics and paper 2 non-calculator extended one. Okay, so let's go for the first question. The probability of picking a green pen from a box is 0.17. The probability of not picking, so for picking a green pen is 0.17. The question is not picking green pen. So total probability is 1, always 1 minus 0.17, which is 3, and here is 8. 0.83. Okay, so the answer is going to be 0.83. Okay, so the next question 2, ABCD is a quadrilateral, CDE is a straight line, AFB is an isosceles triangle. Find the value of x and the value of y. So we need to find value of x and value of y. As we know, it's a straight line. EDEC is a straight line, so this is like a linear pair, so which is for this angle. So we need to do like 100. When you add up both angle is 180, because a straight line 180 minus 104, which is equal to 76. So this angle going to be 76 degree. The next thing, so this ADCB is a quadrilateral. Sum of all the angles is going to be 360. So we need to find x. So yeah, 76 degree plus 70 degree, 70 degree plus 130 degree plus x degree is going to be 360 degree. When we add up all four angles equal to 360. Okay, so here is 70 plus 130 is 200, 276. So 276 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Okay, x equal to 360 minus 276, it is going to be 84 degrees. So x is going to be 84 degrees. Okay, let's go here next. We need to find out y. So here is clearly saying it's isosceles triangle. So one angle is 30, the other two angles. This is y. This also is going to be y, because isosceles opposite of like equal side is going to be equal. So we do one total angle, all three angles equal to 180 minus the angle. So there, what is the rest? We need to make it half because of isosceles triangle. So 150 over 2, which is going to be 75 degrees. So y equal to 75 degree. Okay, so let's go for question 3. The diagram shows the pyramid ABCDE with a square base. M is a center on the square base. E is the vertically above the M. So write down the number of planes of symmetry of this pyramid. Okay, so obviously, so it's a four-sided. So we can get like, because all are regular sides, so we'll get like 4 symmetry lines. Next, using two of these letters from A, B, C, D, E, and M, complete the statement about the pyramid. The axis of rotational symmetry passing through the point. All the symmetries is passing through the point E and M. Next, The number of ice cream sold increases as a temperature rise. What type of correlation does it statement describe? Yes, number of ice cream is increases when the both are rising. Rising is a positive correlation. Positive. The next one, question 5. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So triangle A to triangle B. Okay, so small to big. So first we need to write is enlargement. Enlargement and scale factor. One side here is a 1 become 3. So scale factor is 3. With center, we have to write the coordinate. So you should connect all the points, like see these 2 points we need to connect, and we have to use a ruler and do so. Right now I'm using this way, so this 3 point. So when you connect all three, the corresponding vertices, when you connect, they all meet in one point, that is going to be the center for us. So 1 comma 2 is the center for us. So center is 1 comma 2. That's it. So there is 3 points, enlargement and scale factor with the center. So you'll get 3 marks for that. On the grid, draw the image triangle A after reflection x equal to -1. X equal to -1. This is the line. So I'll clear the drawings here. And now triangle A reflect on x equal to -1. This is our x equal to -1 line. Now this triangle A has to reflect here. So the distance we check 1, 2. So 1, 2. So here 1 point. Here 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here is another point. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here just draw here a triangle. That's it. Yeah, it's a reflection here. Next question, triangle A after the rotation 90-degree clockwise with the center 1 comma -2. 1 comma -2. 1 comma -2 is a center here. Use the tracing paper. Okay, then draw 90-degree. So approximate. So we'll get here 6 comma -2, 7 comma -3, and 4 comma -5. So we will get like this. Next, question number 6. There are 15 giraffes in a group. Total 15 are there. So there are 15 giraffes in a group. The table gives the information about the height of the giraffes, 15 giraffes. One giraffe has at height of 2.6. No giraffe is shorter than 2.5. And the range of the highest for the 15 giraffes is 2.3 meter. More than 3 giraffes have same height. The model height of the giraffe is 3.9. So the first one giraffe has a height is 2.6. So 2.5 is here. So there is one more 2.6 here is there. Next, no giraffe is shorter than 2.5. That's fine. The range of the high and the 15 giraffe is 2.3. So the highest one minus the lowest one is 2.3. So lowest one is 2.5 is given. So highest one is, so we need to find 2.5 plus 2.3, which is equal to 4.8. So 4.8 is missing. There is 8. Next one. range is done. So more than 3 giraffes have the same height. So at least 4 giraffes have the same height. The next line, the model height is 3.9. So there is no 3.9. So at least 4. So we'll write 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so all the possible done. So let's check the total 15s there are not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, that's done. Use this information table, complete the stem and diagram group of 15. Okay, we're done. Next question number 7. Work out the subtraction. So we have to change into same denominator. So second one is 12. First one I'm going to make it 12. So I need to multiply a 2 numerator and denominator. So it's become 10 by 12 minus 7 by 12, which is equal to 10 minus 7, which is 3 by 12. So now I'm going to divide it by a 3 times table both, so which is 1 by 4. The answer is going to be 1 by 4. Next, B part. Okay, so here also first we need to change into improper fraction, which is 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 over 3, then divided by here is 8 over 15. Now the division we have to change into multiplication, 4 by 3 times 15 over 8. Okay, so now we can go for simplification. This is 1, this is 5, because 3 times table and 4 times table, this is 1 and this is 2. The final answer going to be 5 by 2. This is, it's not a proper fraction, this is improper, so we can change into mixed fraction. How many 2 is there in the numerator? Because 2 times 2 is 4, then 1 left over 2. Next, write 42 as a product of prime factors. So here 42, and we'll go for prime factors, which is 2 and 21, which is 3 and 7. So the answer is going to be 2 times 3 times 7. Next, find the highest common factor, HCF 84 and 70. So first I'll go for 84's prime factors, 84, 2 and 42. Then 2 and 21, and then 3 and 7. So 84 equal to 2 times 3 times 7, and 70. 2 times 35 and 5 times 7. So 75 equal to 2 times 5 times 7. So HCF only common. So HCF equal to, here 1, 2 is common here. So 2. Next is 7 is common. That's it. 2 times 7. The answer is going to be 14. 14 is the HCF. So the next question, solve is a quadratic equation. So we need to bring everything is one side. So 5x square plus 17x minus 12 equal to 0. I'll bring it everything to the other side. The sign has changed. Now multiplication time, we have to get negative 60, because the extreme 5 times negative 12, negative 60, and addition time we have to get 17. So the factors are 15. Oh no, the factors are 20 and 3. So 20 and negative 3, the factors. So I'll expand 5x square plus 20x minus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. Here the common is 5x, so x plus 4. And here also we'll write x plus 4, and here we need to write negative 3 equal to 0. So x plus 4 and 5x minus 3 equal to 0. So we need to find the solution. So x plus, first part, x plus 4 equal to 0, or 5x minus 3 equal to 0. So from x equal to negative 4, and here x equal to positive 3 over 5. So one answer is negative 4, one answer is 3 over 5. Next question, ax square plus a equal to b, where a and b are integers. One solution of the equation is x equal to 6. So write down the other solution. So just plug in x equal to 6. A of 6 square plus a equal to b. So here 36a plus a equal to b. So 37a equal to b. Now we got the b value. Just plug it in the given equation. What will happen? It will become ax square plus a equal to 37a. So bring it everything one side. Ax square plus a minus 37a equal to 0. So ax square minus 36a equal to 0. So here is bringing a out, x square minus 36 equal to 0. Here a equal to 0 or x square minus 36. Okay, here a is gone. A is 0. A becomes 0. When you divide a, the to other side is going to become, sorry, yeah, when 0, x square minus 36 equal to 0, x square equal to 36, x equal to plus or minus 6. So x equal to plus 6 and x equal to minus 6. Already 6 is one of the solution, so this is going to be minus 6 here. Next one, solve the simultaneous equation. Here at least any one of the term we have to make it equal. So I'll multiply y is equal. So the first one I'll multiply, first equation I'll multiply by 2. The next equation I multiply by 5. So what will happen? So 4 times 2, 8x minus 10y equal to 26. Second one, 15x minus 10y equal to 40. So same sign I'm going to subtract here. So 8 minus 15 is going to be minus 7x. This become cancel here. 26 minus 40 is going to be minus 14. So x equal to negative 14 over negative 7. So x equal to 2. So x value is going to be 2. This x value just substitute in one of the equations. So I'll substitute the first equation. 4 times 2 minus 5y equal to 13. So minus 5y equal to 13. This 4 times 2 is 8. When it's go for other side is going to be minus 8. So negative 5y equal to 5. So y equal to negative 1. That's the answer here. Next, Angela picks a number at random from the number 1, 2, 3. Then she picks a numbers at random from 4, 5, 6. She added all her two numbers and find the total, complete the table. So this is the 1 and this is the 1. When we add up 1 plus 5, which is 6, 2 plus 5, which is 7, 3 plus 5, which is 8. Same way around 7, 2 plus 6, 8, and 3 plus 6, 9. So we fill the box. Then given that the total is odd, find the probability that one of the numbers Anla picks 3. Total is odd, so we'll pick only odd numbers. Odd total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a total 5 out of 1 is 3. 1 is 3. Only this 2, 1 and 2. This one number is going to be 3. Yeah, so the answer is 2 over 5. Okay, so the next one, question number 12. 5v, just multiply by 5 with the given one, 10 and negative 15 here, that's it. Next, h is the point, so k is the point. Hj equal to 7.7 comma negative 2. Find jk. So h and k, hj equal to 7 and minus 2. So we'll find the j point. J is going to be the h move to right 7 and down 2. So 7 minus 3 plus 7 and 8 plus minus 2. So the answer is going to be 4 comma 6. That's the J answer. Next, we need to find JK. So now JK equal to minus 4 and 4 units. 4 and minus 4, 4 minus 4, 0 and minus 6. Yeah, so here minus 4 and minus 4, and the distance we are finding next is 0 minus 6, 0 minus 6, which is going to be minus 8 and minus 6. Next, we need to find magnitude. Magnitude, we have to find jk. Magnitude times square root of the first value, negative 8 square and plus negative 6 square, which is going to be square root of 64 plus 36, which is equal to square root of 100, which is equal to 10. So the answer is going to be 10. Next, question 13 is a circle theorem. A, B, C, D are the points on the circle. EF is the tangent of the circle A. AB is parallel to DC. Find DCB giving the geometrical reason. DCB, first we need to find this angle. So as we know, cyclic quadrilateral opposite ASDCB, all 4 points on the circle, and this is quadrilateral. So this is cyclic quadrilateral. The opposite angles always is 180. So one angle is 60 here. The other angle is going to be 180 minus 60. So DCB is going to be 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120 degree. So this is 120 degree, 120 degree, and the reason is cyclic. Sum of opposite angle is, we can write supplementary or 180 degrees. So we'll write 180 degree. So next, what we need to find DBC. Where is DBC? So we need to find out this angle DBC. Okay. Another one clue here. AB and AB parallel to DC is already given. So same side of interior is 180. So this is 60. This is going to be 180. Oh, sorry, 120 degree, because same side equal to 1. So here 180 minus 60 is going to be 120. So this is 120. And another one, I see here is 35. So here must be 35. The reason is alternative segment. So angle CAD equal to angle ABD, which is equal to 35 degree. So now we got all the points. So this is a quadrilateral. So we need to find only this quadrilateral. Sum of all the angles equal to 360. So just take away. So angle DBC. So angle DBC equal to 360 minus, we should add up all the angle, which is 60 plus 120 plus 120 plus 35. That's it. So 360 minus, when we add up all, we'll get like 120, 120, 240, 240 plus 60, 300, 335, which is going to be 25 degree. So the answer is 25 degree. Next one, find the lowest common multiple of 15xy cube and 18x power 4y. So first I go for 15's prime factor, which is 3 and 5, and 18's prime factor 2 and 9, 3 and 3. So the 15xy cube I can write like 3 times 5 times x times y cube, and 18x power 4y equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times x power 4 and y. So LCM, we have to take always the highest order. LCM is here 1 3 is common, nothing is common, so 1 3 1 3 is common, so here nothing is common, so we have to write all other number 5 2 3, and here 1 x is there, here x power 4, the highest order is x power 4, so x power 4, and y cube and y, highest order is y cube. So the answer is 3 times 5, 15, 15 times 2, 30, 30 times 3 is 90. So 90 x power 4 and y cube. The answer is 90 x power 4 and y cube. Next question 15. Simplify square root of 27 plus square root of 12. So square root of 27, we can write square root of 9 times 3. Plus square root of 12, we can write 4 times 3. So this square root of 9 going to be 3. So 3 root 3 plus square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5 root 3. So the answer is going to be 5 root 3. The next question, 14 root 8 over 5 root 2 equal to 12, where k is an integer. Find the value of k. Here 40 root 8, so I can write 40, the root 8 I can write 4 times 2 over 5 and root 2. The next step, this square root of 4, so 40 times square root of 4 is 2, 2 root 2 over 5 root 2. See here, root 2 got cancelled. This 5 and this 40 is become 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. So the answer is going to be 16. Next, rationalize the denominator. So rationalize, we have to take the opposite sign. We need to multiply numerator and denominator. 1 by 3 minus root 5 into the opposite sign, which is 3 plus root 5 over 3 plus or root 5. So when we multiply one time, the same stuff will get root 5 over, this is 3 minus root 5 and 3 plus root 5. So when you multiply 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times root 5 is plus 3 root 5, and root 5 times 3 is plus 3 root 5. Sorry, this is negative, and root 5 into root 5 is going to be negative 5. So this and this becomes 0. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So 3 plus root 5 over 4 is the answer here. 3 plus root 5 over 4. Next question, write 0.3 and 28 is a recurring as a fraction simplest form. So first the given one I'll take as a x, 0.328 recurring. First I'll go and with decimal I'll move after 3, so which is going to be 10x. 10x equal to 3.28 recurring. First I'll make after decimal first point. Next I need to move this decimal, the entire recurring after that. So I need to multiply 100, so which become 1000x equal to 328 3.28. So now the 10x and 1000x, only after decimal, only the recurring is there. So just will take away all the recurring, will be gone. So 1000x minus 10x equal to 328.28 recurring minus 3.28 recurring. So recurring left side is going to be 990x equal to 320. All the recurring is gone after decimal because subtraction time. So 328 minus 3, which is 325. So x equal to 325 over 990. But the question is saying from simplest form, so we need to go with 5 times table. Just divide by 5 times table. 6 times 5 is 30, then 5 65 over here. There is only one 5 is there, then 49 9 and 8. So 65 over 198. Next, question number 17. A solid A is mathematically similar to solid B. The height, one height is given, second height is going to be capital H, and surface area is 60 for the A solid, and the surface area of the B solid is given. That's very simple. Surface area, so we are going to find the scale factor. So solid A, surface area of solid A, so sorry, surface area of solid A times scale factor square. Always area in area factor square, okay, equal to surface area and solid B. Surface 60, so surface area is 660 times scale factor square equal to 540. Okay, so scale factor square equal to 540 over 60. So scale factor square equal to 9. So scale factor equal to square root of 9. So scale factor equal to 3. So we got the scale factor. We need to find the height. It's very simple. So okay, so h equal to, so this is the height. H equal to 7 times 3. 7 times the scale factor, which is 7 times 3 is going to be 21. So 21 centimeter is the answer here. Next, make t a subject of the formula. So first I'll bring this pt to right side because 2pt equal to, I'll expand this one, m times 1 is m minus mt. So t is a subject, I'll bring all t one side. So 2pt plus mt equal to m. So here bring t outside. So 2p plus m equal to m. So then t equal to m by 2p plus m. That's a C is a subject. So the answer is m over 2p plus m. The next question, question number 19, simplify 7x minus x square over 49 minus x square. So numerator, when we factorize, what you will get, I'll bring x outside. So 7 minus x is left. The denominator, say the separate, I'll factorize here 49 minus x square. This one I can write 7 square minus x square, a square minus b square. So I can write 7 plus x and 7 minus x. When the a square minus b square term comes, I can write 7 plus x and 7 minus x. So here is 7 plus x and 7 minus x. So in 7 minus x, 7 minus x got cancelled. So which is x by 7 plus x. Next, question 20. Here the diagram shows a sector of a circle, center O. The radius of the circle is given. Calculate the length of the major arc. So major arc means, so we need to find the major angle first. The major angle, actually total angle is 360. So 360 minus 40 which is equal to 320. The major angle we got, which is 320. Now we can go for the arc length AB. So we need to find in terms of phi, that's it. So arc length formula 320 over 360, theta by 360 into 2 into pi into r. R is going to be radius is 6. Okay, so the next line 320 over 360 into here 6 times 2, 12 pi. So this 12 and this 360, which is going to be 12 times 3, 30. So now this 2 I can divide it by 10. This gone. So the answer is only 32 by 3 into pi. That's it. The answer is 32 by 3 pi. Next, differentiate. So the differentiate, okay, so what you'll get, 3 comes here, 3x square minus 6x, that's it. 3x square minus 6x is the answer. Next, to find the coordinates, the turning point of the turning point. Okay, we'll write dy by dx equal to 0. Already we found the dy by dx in the previous part. So 3x square minus 6x equal to 0. So from here we'll bring 3x out, so x minus 2 equal to 0. So either 3x equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. From here x equal to 0, from here x equal to 2. We got 2x, one is 0 and one is 2. Just substitute the given equation. So when x equal to 0, this become y equal to first part 0, second part 0, y equal to 1. It's going to be 0.1. Next, when x equal to 2, just substitute here y equal to 2 cube, which is 8, and minus 3 into 2 square, which is 4, minus 12 and plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. So the answer is going to be negative 3 here. Next, question 22 is a function question. So first question, find f of 3. So just plug in f of x is 3. So 2 times 3 plus 5, which is 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. The answer is going to be 11. Next, f inverse of x. So I'll take y equal to f of x equal to 2x plus 5. Change x and y, x equal to 2y plus 5. So make a subject of y. So x minus 5 equal to 2y and x minus 5 over 2 equal to y. That's the answer. X minus 5 over 2. Next, f g of x equal to 25. First g in f. G in f. So g, when you fix in f, 2 times x minus 4 plus 5 equal to given 25. So I'll write 25 here. So expand this line, 2x minus 8 plus 5 equal to 25. 2x minus 3 equal to 25. 2x equal to, this 3 comes right side is going to be plus, become 28. So x equal to 28 divided by 2, which is equal to 14. So the answer is going to be 14 here. Next, the h inverse of x. From here, h inverse of x equal to 2. H inverse of x equal to 2. So when you bring h to right side, so x equal to h of 2. So just substitute h of 2 here. So h of x equal to 5 power x. So h of 2 equal to 5 power 2, which is 5 power 2, which is equal to 25. The answer is 25. Next, question 23. Write down the value of cos 90. Cos 90 is going to be a 0. Next one, the diagram shows two different right angle triangle joined by the common side. Find x in terms of n. First, the down triangle will find out this length. this is the hypotenuse here. So hypotenuse and opposite is involved for this 30. Opposite and hypotenuse. So sine. So sine 30 equal to opposite, which is n by, so this one I'll take as h. Okay, so n over h. Okay, so I need to find h. Okay, so here sine 30 is going to be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to n over h. So h equal to 2n. So this value is going to be 2n. I got this value. This value is now 2n. Now the first on the up triangle. So when you go there, we have so angle is 30 and adjacent is 2n and hypotenuse is given. Adjacent and hypotenuse is x. Adjacent and hypotenuse is going to be cos. We will use the cos ratio, which is cos 30 equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 2n. 2n over hypotenuse is going to be x. Here we need to find out x. Cos 30 equal to sine 60, so root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 equal to 2n over x. So x equal to 2 times 2, 4n over root 3. So we need to find out x. That's the answer here, 4n over root 3. Next, question 24. A line A is the point a comma 12 and B is the point B comma 27. Find the y coordinate of the midpoint. Midpoint is easy. So x1 plus a, both the x-axis add up by 2, both the y-axis add up by 2. Here they asked only y coordinate. So just take both the y's, which is 12 plus 27 over 2, which is equal to 39 over 2. That's it. So we can leave the answer 39 by 2. Next, the line AB has gradient 3. Okay, so find the expression A in terms of B. AB is the gradient, so gradient is going to be change of y. So first 27 minus 12 over B minus A. So m equal to 27 minus 12 is 15. So 15 by b minus a. So a gradient is given, which is 3. Just substitute gradient m equal to 3. 15 by b minus a. So the next line I'll write here. So I'll bring b minus a to this side. So which is going to be 15 by 3. So b minus a equal to 5. Here I'll bring b in the left side is negative 5, a in the right side is a. So we have to find the expression a. That's it. So a equal to b minus 5. So b minus 5 is the answer here. Next, D is the point. Is the point 23, 34, and E is the point 23, 39. D is the point on CE. So here CE a line. This is C, this is E, and D is on the, so somewhere is D here. It's not midpoint, somewhere. Okay, C is the point. C we don't have. We need to find C. I'll take X comma Y this C, and D is 22 comma 34. And E is 23 comma 39. So all 3 points, and the ratio is given, it's CE and DE. So 2CE equal to 5DE. Okay, 2 by 5 equal to DE by CE. So just cross multiply, bring it here. So yeah, CE the entire length, and DE this is 2 over 5. Obviously this is 3/5. The ratio is 3:2. We got the ratio, and that's it. Okay, so it's easy. Just we need to apply the formula. First x-axis we'll take. So what will happen when 22 equal to ratio 1 times x2, which is yeah what is 3 times 2 times 23. Yeah, 3 times, yeah, first ratio times the second one. 3 times 23. 3 times 23. So the formula I'll write here, x comma y. So x when you, okay, so here what you will write, so ratio is like m1 m2. I'll take m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2, and y-axis we need to find this way, same way, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. m1 and m2 are the ratios. So here first m1 3 times x2, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So this is the way, m1 x2 m1 x2 plus m2 x1. So 2 times x over 3 plus 2. So 22 equal to 69 plus 2x over 5. This 5 when you bring it here, 110 equal to 69 plus 2x. 69 when you bring left side, 110 minus 69, it's going to be 41 equal to 2x. So x equal to 41 over 2, which is equal to, we can leave 41 by 2 or just leave 21, which is 20.5. 20.5 equal to x. So x value we got 20.5. Same thing, now we are going to find the y value. Y value just equate to this part. Y, if you want, just go for this. X and y were the midpoint, so 22 and 34. So that's why first I took 22, now 34. 34 equal to same thing, m1 y2, same here, 3 times 39, so which is 3 times 39 plus and m2 y1, so which is 2 times y, 2 times y over we can write m1 plus m2, which is 3 plus 2 5. So here also cross multiply, 170 equal to 117 plus 2y. So we can write 170 minus 117 equal to 2y. So 53 equal to 2y. So 53 by 2 equal to y, and 53 by 2 is like a 2, then 12, 26.5 equal to y. So the answer is 26.5. That's it. This is the end of the sheet.